to fix touchpad not working in Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and let's get started. There might be two possible reasons your touchpad is not working. The first one, your touchpad is not in good condition, and the second one, it doesn't have any drivers installed. So the second one is there's something with the drivers itself. So to check if your touchpad is working, go to settings. Search for settings in the start menu, and from the left menu go to Bluetooth and devices. Here under devices you will find touchpad. So here, from all these options, you will find touchpad. Click on it and scroll down and click on more touchpad settings. A new window will pop up. Here, go to hardware tab and make sure that both of these, when you click on them, has device status as this device is working properly. Now once you're satisfied with this, close these and go to start menu again and search for device manager for the next step. Now in this window, go to mice and other pointing devices. So just locate your touchpad and right click on it, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. So this will automatically locate your driver and update it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.